Hey everyone, Jim with Evolution Power Sports here today with a 2026 Can-Am X3 RR. This car's been around for 9 years. Okay, it's a little long in the tooth, but BRP gave us this great new feature for this model year, and that is the center display, like on the Maverick R. And so we wanted to, because we are all about extra things here at Evolution Power Sports, and we wanted to give customers the boost gauge like we do on the Maverick R, because factory, it's just a percentage of boost, which means nothing to really anybody. We wanted to give customers boost in pounds per square inch, or PSI, so that's what we've done. And what's different about this versus the Maverick R is for flex fuel customers, you will still get boost on the center display. Okay, your ethanol content will remain on the headlight button, which toggles your RPM. Your mile per hour. So mile per hour, if you toggle down on the headlight button, you'll get your ethanol content for flex fuel cars. But all cars that have the center display will get the boost gauge free of charge. So this is a great new feature, and it's available now at evopowersports.com.